Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be giving you a tour of my dining room area. And any links that I have, I will post in the description box. So please check the description box for decor items. I based my dining room color off of the color of my dining table, which is black and chrome. But first I want to start off with this light fixture that I will be changing after a while. And for my centerpiece, this is an orchid arrangement that I made myself. The orchid stems that I use are the Real Touch. And instead of using orchid leaves, I decided to use these ferns that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. This was the easiest arrangement I've ever done. I'm telling you, it is so easy, and I will post the links to these orchids in the description box, and everything else that I used to make this arrangement will be in the description box. But as you can see, it turned out beautiful. And to give it a glam look, I added this crystal beaded decorative bowl that is from Pier 1. I purchased this around, I think like 7 years ago, but it's really pretty and I love it. Okay, so moving over here, in this corner is a bookshelf that I've had for about 9 years, and I purchased this bookshelf at American Signature. Y'all, I think this is the oldest piece of furniture that I have in my home, but I love it. And I think you probably can still find it at American Signature. So what I did is just put different decor items on it. I styled it so many ways before. I've had books on here, I've had it in the living area, but yeah, so you can do a lot of things with this. But on the top shelf, I do have this decorative bowl with some spears, some mosaic spears, and over here I placed this vase that is from Z Gallery and just put some pink flowers in here that are from Michael's. And I also have the larger vase on the bottom shelf. You'll see that in a few minutes. But yeah, those are from Z Gallery. And this vase is from Ross. I think I bought this like last month sometime, but it was only $9.99. And then I placed these two candlesticks that are also from Ross. So it's the crystal. It pretty much ties in with everything else in my dining room area, like the decorative bowl and my curtain tie backs, and you'll see those in a few minutes. And so I just placed this rug that is from Amazon. It's the same exact rug that is in my living room area. And these curtain panels, I found these at HomeGoods. I think it was $24.99 for a pair. So this is a little DIY trick that I did to pull my curtains together. You won't believe, y'all, this is a bracelet. Yes, this is a bracelet that I found at City Trends for $7.99. So I decided to use those to pull my curtains in the middle. In this corner, this is a setup that I did using a mirror and 3 candle holders in an accent table that is from Ross. This mirror I purchased about 4 years ago from HomeGoods for $39.99. And to reflect off that mirror, I have these wall vases that I purchased on Amazon, and I will post that link in the description as well. I had an extra end table that I was not using, and it couldn't fit in my living room area, so I decided to use it in my dining area to substitute it for a bar cart. And this is also from Amazon, and I will post that link in the description box as well. This is a clock that came from HomeGoods. I've had this for a while, but I wanted an ice bucket, and since I didn't have one on hand, I decided to go for this just to dress it up a little bit. And I have these wine glasses, coasters, and mirrored tray that is from Ross. And I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you don't mind, please give me a huge thumbs up. Just hit the like button, and also welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can get some tips from it. Also, check out my description box, and any links that I have will be posted in there. Similar items that you might want to decorate your home with that's like mine, I will also post those in the description box. But it is your girl Sparkle, and I will see y'all in the next video, and enjoy.